Welcome to Electrify Cooking, where we spotlight innovation in the electric cooking sector. In our 4th episode, we're heading to Eastleigh to SOLCO Partnership Solar Electric Cooking Exhibition. Let's see how it all went down.
So we are the SOLCO Partnership. We're part of a multi-stakeholder initiative. We bring together private sector and public sector, as well as NGOs, we have government, you have financial institutions, and some of our partners, or many of our partners, we get to invite to such events. So we put together the logistics and then have them have an opportunity to showcase what they have so that we're able to transition. The goal being to transition households from biomass or dirty cooking to higher tier cooking. And this is directly how to do it. Let's not talk too much. Let's actually make sure a stove moves from a vendor to the end user.
We want people to know the dangers of dirty fuels. The dangers of using continually firewood, charcoal, and other dirty fuels. So, and also the second goal being here, we want the people to know that indeed clean cooking solutions like e-cooking, those solutions are available. They are not far from them. They are just next door and they can be able to access them. So we happy to participate in this event to actually bring that awareness that indeed clean cooking solutions are accessible.
We wanted to bring to the refugees who are attending the event the appliances that we've been talking about. So we talk about e-cooking and solar e-cooking, but what is it? And so we had today a number of our partners under the SOLCO Partnership. We had EcoBora, we had EcoSafi, we had Ban, Sun King, Sayona, and all of them were showcasing their stoves, doing live demos. So we have foods that have been made, and currently after this I'll be going to sample some. And you have the refugees also asking questions. Where can I get this? Can I make an order? How can I leave my contacts so that I can get one after?
Today being World Refugee Day, this was a great opportunity for us to explore the event as a platform for showcasing electric cooking innovation in the off-grid sector. Here is what some of the exhibitors had to say.
So we came today specifically because it's World Refugee Day, and for us, refugees represent a big element of what our clientele usually looks like. So the mission around the company began with trying to transition customers from dirty fuels to cleaner fuels, but the biggest barrier to this transition used to be financing. So many customers can't afford the solutions upfront. So as Sun King, our biggest value add is the fact that we're able to transition these customers by giving them an option to pay as you go. So they do a small deposit and they pay over time. So this enables them to access these cleaner technologies at an affordable cost.
We started this back in 2017, but since last year we have done quite aggressive marketing, and we have seen numbers. People are very excited. Of course, what I realize is that most people didn't know about electrical pressure cooker. They are seeing it the first time, even induction cooker. We have gotten so many new people who have never even heard about it. So our effort is more of training. Why do you need this? What does it do? What's the difference between this and what you are using to? So it's a new concept, but I'm happy. The more we do it, the more people are knowing it, and the more we are able to offload numbers.
One thing we are doing is creating awareness to communities by training women and girls in these target communities that we are in. Now, as per now, we have trained over 200 women, and also beyond that, they help us in repair and maintenance services. So that means whenever these communities have issues, there is always first-hand people to run to before even the EcoBora team comes in.
And we have had a high turn-up, especially with Somali women, and they really love the induction cooker because of the safety. Even the people who have small houses, they can accommodate the cooker, which can be used by even the small children, and it will not cause any harm in the house. The people who have come to attend, they have gone home knowing that using electricity is so much cheaper than using firewood or charcoal. But you have to use the right cooker or the right gadget at home.
Having showcased multiple innovations by different exhibitors to both the general public and sector stakeholders, it was clear that electric cooking is now also relevant to people without a grid connection. But what were the sentiments at the end of this event?
I've seen an overwhelming enthusiasm towards clean cooking and clean cooking solutions. I mean, I've seen in the faces of so many people and visiting the exhibition tents, I've seen them, just being amazed that these, clean cooking solutions are just available. So I've seen a lot of positive and enthusiastic response, a lot of curiosity to know how these solutions are working and how they can be available to them.
It's a very important issue, mainly because everyone's been talking about the effects of charcoal and cooking with firewood. So we're having deforestation being a big issue, we're having health being another big issue, so people with issues with their lungs, and we are also defaulting on other options like LPG, looking at fossil fuels. But best case is moving away from all fossil fuels to cleaner options like electric cooking, and with that you find that there's a myriad of technologies that you can use there.
So the future of clean cooking is bright, of course forced by circumstances, but also we need to intentionally take that opportunity and support our people by availing clean cooking solutions closer to them.
We want to see this extend to the humanitarian settings, the displacement settings. So in the camps, settlements with urban refugees, we want them to fully benefit from the availability of these products and the growth of the clean cooking sector. If we can get 250,000 households transitioning from currently just relying on firewood and charcoal to this higher tier options, our goal will be met. Yes, and we know that this is also sustainable for these households that choose to do this.
Thanks for joining us on this fourth episode of Electrify Cooking. Today we highlighted the SOLCO Partnerships Exhibition, which brought together over 20 solar electric cooking innovators. If you're passionate about electric cooking innovations, make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. See you next time.